हम लोग एलिफेंट ऑर्फनेज से निकल गए हैं और अब हम सिगेरिया की ओर जा रहे हैं। रास्ता देखिए इतना ब्यूटीफुल था। अब बस ग्रीन, इतनी ग्रीनरी इधर है कि आंखें मतलब इतना फ्रेश फील होता है ना, इतना ग्रीन ग्रीन देख के। और कोकोनट ट्रीज़, भर भर के कोकोनट ट्रीज़ है यहाँ पर, और मिलते भी हैं बहुत कोकोनट, मतलब कोकोनट वाटर पीने के लिए, और बहुत ही मीठा होता है यहाँ का कोकोनट वाटर। मलाई थोड़ी कम रहती है क्योंकि पानी बहुत ज़्यादा रहता है, तो बहुत मज़ा आता है पानी पीने में। और बस जा रहे थे, देख रहे थे, और अचानक से फ्रूट की दुकान दिख गई और सारे एग्जॉटिक फ्रूट्स थे यहाँ पर। मैंगोस्टीन एंड वो ओरा क्या दुरियान, ये सब। और ये देखिए पपाया का झाड़, इतना छोटू सा है और उसमें इतने सारे पपाया लगे हुए थे कि बस मतलब पूरा लदा हुआ था पपाया से। और देखिए झाड़ कितना छोटा सा है। बस यहाँ से हमने थोड़े से फ्रूट्स लिए और चल पड़े आगे। और ये देखिए ऐसा लग रहा है कि किसी ने कैनवस पे पेंटिंग किया है, इतना ब्यूटीफुल है। मतलब मुझे तो स्कॉटलैंड की याद आ रही थी, वहाँ पर भी ऐसे ही क्लाउड्स ऐसे लगते हैं ना, रखा गया है।
से हम लोग आए,
यहाँ पर
ये जगह का नाम है सिगेरिया, और ये जंगल हट रिसोर्ट, यहाँ पर हम एक दिन रहने वाले हैं। ट्री हाउस है, वाव, या दैट वन। और इनका रिसेप्शन देखिए, ये है। ये लोग टेबल मस्त लग रहा है ना,
टेबल चेयर।
हाँ, वेरी नाइस। सही में जंगल जंगल हट ही है। नाइस प्लेस। मतलब उधर ऊपर चढ़ के बस ऐसे देख सकते हो, हाँ, रह नहीं सकते हो। तो चलिए जंगल हट का रूम टूर देती हूँ। दिस इज द एंट्रेंस, ऐसा दिख रहा है। इधर एक एलिफेंट भी है, और ये रहा हम लोग का रूम, और इधर एक टेबल है। बस ज़्यादा बड़ा नहीं है। दिस इज वुडन, ये बेड है यहाँ पर, एंड बस ये इतना ही रूम है। एंड यहाँ से देखिए, दिस इज द बेड एंट्रेंस। यहाँ से व्यू क्या है, हाँ, बाहर का व्यू है। स्विमिंग पूल है उस तरफ, एंड oh wow, bathroom is very big, nice, very nice. यहाँ पर ये पिंक लोटस है, और इस तरफ लिलीज है रेड कलर के। हाय फ्रेंड्स, हम लोग सिगेरिया आ गए हैं। यहाँ पर एक रॉक क्लाइंब है, और गाइड भी हम लोग ने साथ में लिया है, क्योंकि गाइड लेना ज़रूरी है, नहीं तो आपको नहीं समझेगा वहाँ का हिस्ट्री क्या है। सो अगर हम अभी अगर मीन्स वी आई इंडियंस, तो इंडियन पासपोर्ट के ऊपर टिकट के चार्जेस कम हैं, आई थिंक $20 पर हेड, और अगर फॉरेनर है तो 36 होता है। तो पासपोर्ट आप दिखा सकते हैं और डिस्काउंट ले सकते हैं। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। और यहाँ एक और चीज़, ये सुबह आप अर्ली मॉर्निंग भी ये कर सकते हैं, सिगेरिया रॉक क्लाइंब, और ये 6-6:30 बजे शाम के बंद हो जाता है क्योंकि यहाँ पर वाइल्ड एलिफेंट्स हैं, सो दैट्स वाई।
सो टिकट्स हमने ले लिए और गाइड भी ले लिया है हमारे साथ, और बस अब हम शुरू कर रहे हैं ये जर्नी या ट्रैक कह सकते हैं इसको, और सिगेरिया को लायंस रॉक भी कहते हैं। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर ट्रैकिंग।
Okay.
ओके,
You would
One
know
one
better
way,
about-
yeah, one way up, one way down.
Okay.
Not the same way.
Oh,
Please look at that animal. That area is the night time they visit. Yeah,
okay.
the bird and flower and morning time. Peacock also. Sometimes they look up.
What time the place close?
That animal in the behind the rock. No anybody people. Only jungle. Only for the animal. There are night time that area and they visit. Or if the other village people they make for the rice peel and banana and some fruit they will eat in.
ओके।
Hari Maya no?
लोटस, इतनी अच्छी खुशबू आ रही है यहाँ पर लोटस की, बहुत अच्छा। लेट मी जूम। ये इधर है पिंक लोटस, सी। Oh, what is this?
Ah, squirrel.
Squirrel, such a big one.
Chinese squirrel.
Chinese.
Oh, squirrel.
That one is the bigger one. Other one they are the smaller one.
Where? One more is there?
और उधर monkey बैठा हो.
Monkey.
These are the inside the ruins the palace. Yeah? Now I use is the number 2. This is outer moat. Walk around the 4 kilometer in the king time. They very protected. After is the very number they visit. 12, 13, 14 up to the top. Then again coming 13, 12, 9, P, 11 in another way. One way up, one way
One down.
inside the living.
Termites.
Yeah.
I thought it's snake.
Yeah, sometimes inside the living is snake also.
Yeah. Langur.
Black shape.
Yeah. Langur. कितना पुराना बैनियन ट्री है। बंदरों से तो डर ही लग रहा है, अगर कैमरा ले लिया तो, मतलब मोबाइल ले लिया तो। देखिए कितना पुराना होगा। इट मस्ट बी वेरी ओल्ड।
Yeah. India they have very bigger one, no?
यस।
More bigger one. Monkey's nice haircut, natural haircut.
नेचुरल। देखिए कितने सारे बंदर, पूरा झुंड।
Four kilometer in time.
Okay.
This is very protected, yeah?
ओके
Outer moat, outer rampart, inner moat, inner rampart.
ओके।
Natural or man-made?
Man-made. It's inside the protected.
चिका लोटस। यहाँ पर देखिए फुल वाइट लोटस।
look at the lotus flower in the white one.
Yes.
That moat, inner moat, walk around the 4 kilometer.
Okay.
Yeah. This is the outer moat is mud and water. This is inner moat, the thing kind the man in the crocodiles.
Oh.
Still they have the crocodiles. Yeah.
They still have
Yeah.
inside?
Yeah. Sometime the crocodile coming to the wall, he look in the sun.
Oh.
See the black color in the bird, the black cormorant.
Yeah.
Rubbish. Excavation. King time the both side in the semestical. Only small places little bit changing. Example, these places in the both side for the excavation. Inside the ones for the future generation.
Okay.
In the
Okay.
king time, these places in the soldiers guard house. There is the first checkpoint. People is climbing, good for the controlling. They come in the bad people, they will push the moat, they will cover the
तेरे को वहाँ करना है.
उधर हम लोग को चढ़ना है.
lion throat.
Throat.
Throat. Like an example, it's called in the Singapore. Singham in the lion, Purum in the lion body.
Okay.
Sigiriam in the Singham in the lion, Giriam in throat.
Throat.
Yeah.
Throat of the lion.
Yeah. This is the Akkadian legend. Before the King Kashyapa came to the here, that places is living in Buddhist monasteries. Monasteries the before the living Akkadian, not any writing, not any signature. The Ravana.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Akkadian, not any
No.
information. Yeah. That's the Sigiriya is the World Heritage Site.
South. Yeah.
Yeah.
UNESCO.
Yeah. That palace was built by King of name is Kashyapa. He's the village not to here.
Okay.
He's the village in the first capital of the Sri Lankan, Anuradhapura.
Okay.
His father in the Anuradhapura city is the king. After his father in the married in the two wife.
Okay.
One wife royal, one wife in the unroyal. Two wife, they have the two sons. One son is the Mugalan, one son is the Kashyapa. Kashyapa is the unroyal family. He's living the with family. The royal family son is the Mugalan. He's living the India for the study.
Okay.
This
After
is which year?
in the 3rd century, 5th century,
Oh, that. Oh,
yeah, 1,600 years
Years
ago.
old.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is the after his father,
What about?
Huh.
are you now stay here? Have to walk there up to the top.
Yes.
Are you know this language?
No.
This is for the Sinhalese.
Okay.
That language for the Tamil.
Tamilian.
Yeah, that language English.
We can
Is the-
understand the last one.
Yeah. This is my children time. We ask the Buddhists, Sinhalese
Single is.
and English.
Okay.
Tamil people, Tamil and English. Now every children, daughter, everybody, 3 language is study.
Okay.
That's good.
Yeah, that's very nice.
Water line. These are the originally. Now also the heavy raining season is still water go.
And this goes
Water come up to the top. They have the Olympic size swimming pool and drinking water tank. Lot
On
of
the
water
top.
coming- yeah. Here in the holes,
Yeah.
that area is not full enough water. That hole is the block the ebony wood. In the front of the big holes, water come up is the overflow. Then all see. We will sit there. That's the swimming pool, sir. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 swimming pools.
Okay.
That swimming pool,
that's me.
that swimming pool in time they used it for the concubine and people. This King Kashyapa also, one queen. Yeah. Now also still monks live in this rock.
Pilantara?
Pidurangala.
Piturangala.
Yeah.
ओके
Then making for the water line.
To come and
Yeah,
service.
water in the slope the rock in some time, natural water filter system.
ओके
It's climbing, nice see the flower and this all the smells. Now we smoke flower only for the water. Yeah?
ओनली द वाटर serpent eagle
Yeah. Up there is the royal palace, the king in the bedroom up there. The right around the bedroom, the two wall is the one canal with crocodiles.
oh
Yeah. King Kashyapa, he thinks younger brother Nemi is come to the inside attack in the night time.
Okay.
Sometimes the soldiers in the sleeping, animal can't sleep in the watching. That wall is a rebuilt for the UNESCO. Yeah. That side they have one of the swimming pool, the Otta Canal swimming pool, 8 side. That side they have one of the drinking water tank is the elephant. Little bit changing. Then after. Yes, sir. Look at the one of the swimming pool in the Otta Canal swimming pool, 8 side. You see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 side. That swimming pool is the very specialist. Only king time, only used for the king and queen. The bottom swimming pool they used for the concubine and people.
yes
Up to the top, I will show later. Up to the top, they had Olympic size swimming pool and drinking water tank. And a lot of water comes to water line. And the first come to the king.
Okay, we fill up this one.
Yeah. The fresh water in the king and queen.
acacia pistula flowers
You can see this side also, this side also. See the ancient carving, the two animal, one head. See the elephant,
yes
see the buffalo.
yeah
That side the papaya flowers and 2 lotus flowers and 2 elephants. 1, 2, 3, 4 rooms. How to open, sir? This is secret magic box.
It's a Ravana period technique. It's a technique. Those days, these things made out of rock. Put the treasure. Ramnanand.
oh
4 rooms.
yeah
Push up. Slide in.
push down and slide wow that's nice
It's made like a book.
yes
And other side, they have 2 animals, 1 head. You can see elephant and a buffalo.
buffalo
Or like this. And you have sliding. Then little down.
yeah
And you can open 2 rooms.
and then the other 2 rooms
yes.
okay
Push up. Sliding. Okay.
You're sure this is mahogany?
He's a mountain.
Not to the here. That area is living for the Buddhist monasteries.
Okay, they will be.
Yeah. You can see the small stupa.
yeah
See the paraseed balm.
2 trees together.
2 trees together
The paraseed.
parasite
And this steps.
अभी हम लोग नेचुरल रॉक गार्डन एंटर कर रहे हैं
King time is not for a lot of step. 3 step black and 3 step black flower. That flower, yellow color is the flower. It's very nice, very good for the smells also.
it smells also
Yeah,
okay
morning is good. This nut, this is the very poison.
oh
Somebody mentally is not for this step. They block the clay brick, block the rock, then making for the wall.
Okay. So, oh, support.
Yeah.
मैं तो थक गई सीढ़ी चढ़ चढ़ के
Lanka people.
Namaste.
Namaste.
Abavan.
Ayubowan. This is our people's climb. All is made by like this.
Terrace garden.
All are the carrots for the manpower. Before no alligator, no helicopter. Little bit help in the elephant. Otherwise,
How the king is to climb. मैं तो थक गई।
these are the original, yeah, 1,600 years ago. That side the shine in the wall, that side the rock, the press course in the painting. King is climbing in the evening time, corridor, and the sun is
It's
coming
shining.
to the press course, there will the reflection.
Okay, so
Now,
it's,
the
that's why
paintings-
it's called a mirror
paintings all
image.
are gone in the nature. Still, see the example is still they have the plaster.
Yes.
Yeah. You can from ground.
Sea level.
No, that's the meter in the long.
Length.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
In the long time Sinhalese, now Sinhalese is not similar. That language is can't understand everybody people. First one professor, now they have the three professor. He's the translator.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah,
Yes.
The graffiti also.
Yes. Lion entrance.
Please, I hold it over.
Thank you, Baba.
वहाँ पर मॉन्क्स रहते हैं वो वाले माउंटेन पे, और वहाँ पर भी लोग जाते हैं और है भी वहाँ पर खड़े। इतना ऊपर तो आ गए हैं, अभी यहाँ से और ऊपर जाना है। इतना कैसे जाऊंगी, मुझे तो डर ही लग रहा है जैसा लग रहा है ये जगह। इतना ऊपर आ गई हूँ मैं, और थोड़ा ऊपर जाना है।
Hall and King's Seat. So, please look at the mountain. Behind the mountain, the first capital of Sri Lanka, Anuradhapura.
अनुराधापुरा।
That side the north area. See the far away.
Lake here.
Yeah, behind the lake, the second capital of Sri Lanka in Polonnaruwa.
ओके।
That side the whole jungle, yeah.
या
See the last kingdom, the 7-8 mountains behind it. Kandy.
ओके।
That side the Colombo.
ओके।
One part of the people and village, one part of the jungle, no anybody people, only for the animals. Similar like this, that side, right, the big palace.
यही तो देखने के लिए आए थे, स्विमिंग पूल ऑन द टॉप ऑफ सिकेरिया रॉक।
They put
King's
in the-
seat.
Yeah, they put in the ebony wood in the halls, then wooden and roof in the duct. The
That's
both
the
side
swimming
got the water. King's seat is not for the heat in the cooling. See the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 terrace. The first terrace in the flower, next 6 terrace in the 500 concubine. The dancing there, King seat there. He's the watching the dancing. This nice woman, he called, please come, go to the swimming and go to the king bedrooms. He wanted one day, one night. Then it's like a heat and cooling system, yeah.
They put the lights here in the night.
Water tank and the rock is not heat. The cooling. See the both side is so cold. And the half water and just move flower.
Three animals. First was elephant, lion, and now this is the cobra.
फ्रेंड्स, अगर श्रीलंका घूमना है तो अगर आप फिज़िकली फिट है तो कर लो, क्योंकि ये 2400 स्टेप्स हम चढ़ के उतरे हैं। सो अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल।